Hello everyone, it's Cleofe again and welcome to Crafting Shed. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this knotted pillow. This trendy piece has been all over my feeds lately and I decided to try it. You can totally make this yourself too, no fancy tools required, just some yarn, hook, and a bit of time. Now let's get started. For the materials, I'm using 2 skeins of Flex by Loops and Threads. This is size 4 medium weight yarn. Each skein is 355 yards and this is in Seaf Foam color. I'm using size G 4mm crochet hook. I also needed blunt needle and tape measure. And then we need fiber fill to stuff the tube. These are my leftovers and I still have some left, so we don't need that much. So let's start with a knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do our first round. In the first chain, 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So including the first chain 4, we should have 10 double crochets. Join in the 4th chain of beginning chain 4. Slip stitch in the 4th chain of beginning chain 4. And this is round 1. Pull the tail to tighten. And this is round 1. Round 2, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the same stitch. So we're just basically doubling this up. In the next stitch, 2 double crochets. 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Repeat 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2. And then each stitch around. So in the next stitch, 2 double crochets again. 1 and 2. And repeat this pattern around. And it would now look like this. Then join with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of beginning chain 3 right here. And this is round 2. Round 3, chain 2. 1, 2. Half double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only. So right here, just insert back loop only. Half double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only. And just repeat this pattern around. Half double crochet in each stitch around, back loop only. So continue and I'll see you towards the end of the round. And this is now, I'm here now towards the end of the round, just one more. Then join with a slip stitch in the 2nd chain of beginning chain 2 right here to end round 3. And this is what round 3 looks like. So at this point, we are now starting the tube. And including the first chain 2, we should have 20 half double crochets. Then from here, we'll just keep repeating round 3. So chain 2, half double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only. Half double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only, and in each stitch around. So half double crochet, back loop only. Continue this pattern around and I'll see you towards the end of the round. And right here, I'm here now towards the end of the round, just one more stitch. Then join with a slip stitch in the 2nd chain of beginning chain 2 right here. So this is how to end round 4 and this is what round 4 looks like. And from this point, just keep repeating round 3 until the piece forms a long tube. Once your tube is about 5 inches long, like this, start stuffing it with fiber fill. It's way easier to stuff it gradually than trying to do it all in the end, at the end rather. So grab a bit of fiber fill like this and stuff gently. Stuff it in gently. You want it to feel nice and full, but not overly packed. We're aiming for a smooth and tube-like shape. And it would look like this. So just keep repeating that process. Crochet a few rounds, then gently stuff as you go, keeping that smooth, even tube shape. Try not to overstuff or it might get too stiff to knot later. Take your time with it. This part is a bit repetitive, but it's super relaxing once you get into the rhythm. So I'll continue my piece and I'll be back when I have 134 inches long of my tube. And this is now what the piece looks like after 134 inches. So it is stuffed, and this is the last stitch right here, and I left a long tail using this to sew the two ends together. Now it's time for the fun part, tying the knot. So since the knotting process is a bit tricky to explain in words, I let the visuals guide you from here with some relaxing music. If you need extra help, I've linked a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Take your time, adjust as needed, and have fun. And here it is. It's all cleaned up, knotted, and looking beautiful. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's soft, modern, and adds such a fun touch to any space. If you made it this far, thank you so much for crocheting along with me. I hope you enjoy this project as much as I did. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye!